Shanti worked as a maid servant in a house. Although she was uneducated, she cooked and served well. She was loved by all in the house because of her good service and pleasing nature. Kusum was the eldest girl of the family who studied in class 12. She treated Shanti as her own sister. One day, she told Shanti.
You must learn to read and write. I will teach you.
Shanti was very happy. She was very enthusiastic to learn. She took time off from her work and started learning. Kusum taught her the alphabet, but her occupation was such that Shanti decided to give up her learning. Later, she lost interest. Education is very important for the progress and development of a country.
Education is a continuing process from the minute we are born until we die,
said Indira Gandhi. India is a developing country progressing at a rapid speed. Yet India faces many problems like poverty, unemployment, overpopulation, illiteracy, etc. The main cause of all these problems is ignorance. It causes backwardness, lack of understanding, social problems, and other evils in the society. Very little progress was made in the sphere of literacy during the British rule in India. The British left our country with a ratio of 14% literacy, leaving us with a vast population of illiterates. One of the tasks which independent India had undertaken was the eradication of illiteracy. However, to reach the masses was an impossible task. The magnitude of the problem itself was frightening. After gaining independence, the government took necessary measures to eradicate illiteracy from India. Great progress has been made in the field of education since then. The money spent on education has increased. The number of students enrolled has also increased, and so have the number of institutions. Primary education has become free in all states, and some states also provide free education till the university level. Primary education has been made compulsory in almost every state. Some of the best colleges of medicine, engineering, and other sciences have attained affiliation. All these measures have helped India to achieve moderate success in the field of literacy. From 14% literacy in 1947, the country has grown enormously. It is worthwhile to note that the state of Kerala had achieved 100% literacy by 1991. The secret of the success is that the literacy campaign became a mass movement in Kerala. Millions of university students and teachers volunteered to help in this campaign. The Indian government realized that without mass education and encouraging people to learn, it would be difficult to solve the problems and pace the development of the country. It was decided to spread literacy by opening more and more primary and secondary schools in villages. The fund distribution in the budget for education was increased, and it was also felt necessary to have adult education programs. One of the factors which is responsible for this situation is the increasing rate of population. It has resulted in increasing the number of uneducated people in our country. Hence, to make India literate, an adult literacy program is essential. According to Dr. V.K.R.V. Rao, without adult education and adult literacy, it is not possible to have that range and speed of economic and social development which we require.